Hi, Julian here from the Server.net team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of Backlinks Manager, which is a tool that allows you to monitor your backlinks and to stay ahead of unexpected changes. Every time there is a new valuable link to your site or client's site, you should add it to Backlinks Manager. Our tool will then regularly check the link and tell you whether it found it or not, whether it's indexed in Google or not, whether it's do follow or no follow, and so on. That way, if the link suddenly disappears or becomes no follow, for example, you will quickly be notified. You can indeed be notified via email or internal notification when an active link is not found anymore, when an indexed link is not indexed anymore, and when a do follow link becomes no follow. But I'll come back to this in a moment. Backlinks Manager is a must, whether you're just starting out or already built a lot of backlinks. We recommend that you add your valuable backlinks only, the links you paid for or exchange, for example, your PBN links as well. Don't add social media links, forum links, or other types of low quality links that bring little value, as the number of backlinks you can monitor is limited. This number depends on your membership level, but if you need to monitor more backlinks, you can upgrade to a higher membership plan. To add a backlink, open Backlinks Manager, which is located under the Site Management category in the Tools menu, and then select your site. Then click on the blue plus button, located at the top right. This is a two-step process. The first step consists of adding your backlink or backlinks. You can add multiple backlinks at once, of course. If you don't know what backlinks you should add, you can use the Fetch Top Links function located here. You can also upload a CSV file, which is pretty handy. If, for example, you have downloaded a list of backlinks from a third-party service, you can also add a tag or select an existing one here. The second step is a confirmation step. The system will tell you whether it found the backlinks or not. On some occasions, it is possible that our system might not be able to find your backlinks for a variety of reasons. For example, the site the backlink is on was down, or there is a firewall in place that prevents our system from crawling the page and finding the backlink. This is quite rare, but it is a possible occurrence. Here, you can change the publish date. You also have the option to add a target page as an inner page in Site Manager if you haven't done so already. Here, the target page is already in Site Manager. If everything looks good, click on Add Backlinks. Your backlink will appear in this table. At the top of the table, you can see some useful charts, so you can quickly see any potential issues. As you can see here, for each backlink, you can see the date it was added, the source URL, the anchor text, the destination URL, the most rank, domain authority and page authority, spam score, citation flow and trust flow from Majestic, number of backlinks, number of social signals, whether it's do follow or no follow, whether the page is indexed in Google or not, the status, active, not found or site problem, and host location. That's a lot of useful information. Please note that you can easily customize this table to see only the information that you want by using the table column configuration option. To do so, simply click on the cog icon here and untick the columns you want to hide. Under this table, you have a few more useful charts and tables, including some breakdowns. You can choose to show links with a specific tag only, as well as download this list of backlinks as a PDF or CSV file. Metrics and stats are quite useful, but what matters the most here is this: do follow or no follow, indexed or not indexed, and the status, of course. In the blink of an eye, you will be able to see if there is a problem with your backlinks. You might have bought a backlink a year ago, but is it still do follow? Is the page still indexed in Google? Is the link still active? Here we can see quite a lot of issues: backlinks that are not found anymore, pages that are not indexed anymore, as well as no follow backlinks. Probably time for us to take a close look at these backlinks and see what happened exactly. In cases like this, if you paid for these links, don't hesitate to get in touch with the person who sold them to you and either ask for replacements or refund. Imagine having to do this manually every few weeks for all your backlinks. It will be very time consuming, if not impossible. That's why Backlinks Manager is a huge time saver and money saver. As briefly mentioned before, you can be notified by email or internal notification when an active link is not found anymore, when an indexed link is not indexed anymore, and when a do follow link becomes no follow. That way you are informed as soon as an issue occurs. You can create these alerts in the notifications and alert section located here. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.